In this video, I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, what First Lady received an Emmy Award for her tour of the White House? Well, I will give you the answer for this question, and the correct answer for the question is Jacqueline Kennedy, and here is a bit more information about the answer. Jacqueline Kennedy, who served as the First Lady of the United States from 1961 to 1963, was presented with a distinctive Emmy Award in 1962 for her televised White House tour, airing on February 14, 1962. This program was a pioneering production that unveiled the recently renovated White House interiors. Televised on both CBS and NBC, it captivated an audience of more than 80 million, offering an unprecedented and personal look into the executive mansion. Her Emmy recognition acknowledged her for introducing a distinctive combination of grace and educational content to television audience. Well, that is the answer for the question. Jacqueline Kennedy, that's the correct answer for the question.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.